It's cold outside, there's no type of atmosphere. I'm all alone, more or less. I can't remember the rest now. Was it goldfish shoals nibbling at my toes? Fun, fun, fun in the sun, sun, sun. Fun, fun, fun in the sun, sun, sun. I've named that show. What the heck is that? Another Volvo? No. If that's not a dangerous manoeuvre, I don't know what isn't. Shit in this weather. It's fucking snowing, that's why. Fuck me sideways, man. It's Christmas time and there's no need to be afraid at Christmas time. If only it was fucking Christmas time, eh? Do it in light and be kind of shaded in this world of snow and ice. I ride a motorbike. Sounds like the beginning of a really stupid song. Oh, fucking hell. This is ridiculous, I can't see shit. God, this has not been an enjoyable experience. It's been an experience, that's it. Freaking, I'm actually wiping ice off my visor as I ride along. I'm not kidding you, like chunks of ice. It's bloody freezing. I've got half decent gear on. Granted it's not heated except for the gloves. But oh my word, I'll be glad to get indoors tonight. Hot chocolate, I reckon, even though I'm not allowed it. Hot something to drink, I tell you. My word, I'm so cold. My body's freezing, my hands are okay though, that's the weird thing. It's usually the other way around, my hands are freezing, my body's like nice and warm. Except for my left thumb, which is frozen.
What if I go stronger? What if I get higher? What if I start doing things I know I will regret? I will make my own way, I will not surrender. I will do my best until I get put under. What if I go stronger?